Alright, welcome back to Cooking with Big Mike. Today we're doing blackened redfish with a crawfish cream sauce and new potatoes. This redfish right here is so fresh. It was caught just this week in Grand Isle in the marshes just near the Gulf of Mexico. As you can see from that footage, it was caught by our director, Ray himself, and this is the fish that we're gonna be eating today. Here on Cooking with Big Mike, you know we're always about a cocktail while we're cooking. Today we're gonna have a simple old fashioned. First, slice this up a nice piece of orange. Right there. Put that in half. cut that one to a quarter. Add half in there. Let's get us a couple maraschino cherries. I like cherries a lot, so let's go ahead and get that in there. Take our muddler. Muddle that up nice and good. Alright. Add a little ice. Some bitters. Bourbon, I enjoy Buffalo Trace. And some simple syrup. Mix. Add our orange. And here's to you. That's good. All right, so some of the ingredients we're gonna be using today, we have about a pound of crawfish tails from a leftover from a crawfish boil. Just peel them and freeze them. They're always good to go later. Got about a half cup of minced yellow onion, half cup of minced red bell pepper, half cup of minced buttonhead mushrooms, about a quarter cup of sliced green onions, and we have our dry herbs both for the new potatoes and the crawfish cream sauce. Check the link down below for the recipe. Add a little olive oil to our pot here. About a quarter stick of butter. Turn that down a little bit. Set down. We're gonna start adding our vegetables. Our onion. Our bell pepper. And our mushrooms. Go ahead and cook this down about 5 minutes. Then we'll add the crawfish. Then we'll go ahead and add the cream.
Alright, so what goes next in there?
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and add a little salt and pepper. Continue letting those vegetables cook down. And as I sip my drink that I'm sure somebody spit in, Ray.
So look, down here we be catching redfish, you know what I'm saying? Especially me. My dad be trying, but he can't catch shit. You know, he be trying, but he don't be catching. And, you know, this camera's 6 feet apart, so we good. Other than that, you know, if you can't catch a redfish, you can go with speckled trout, you can go with tilapia, you can go with... Alright, that's how you go. Alright, you ready?
That's how I was gonna say. I was gonna say something like that.
Alright, 3.
I'm not going all that ridiculousness.
Yeah, no shit. 3, 2, 1.
So, now, if you can't get redfish in your area, this dish is also very good with any kind of trout. We have speckled trout down here. Rainbow trout is good with any kind of good white fish. You know, if it's fresh caught, the better. You know, you don't want that farm taste. You know,
you can do it with catfish. Catfish real good.
You could do it with catfish.
Nigga mad, cause I go out there and catch fish. When he go, he don't catch nothing but catfish.
That's right. I'm the catfish king.
Unedible catfish at that. Hard
That
head.
is true. I am the catfish king. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Right. In about 5 minutes, our vegetables are nice and soft. Go ahead and add some seasoning in there. Go ahead and add a crawfish.
You left one in the bowl.
Yeah, it's alright.
Nah, put that in there.
See what I'm working with, people?
They get every crawfish, man. Every crawfish. I don't leave nothing at the crawfish table.
Except all these crawfish that he left.
Well, I mean, if I'm full, I'm gonna peel them, and then they're gonna go in the freezer for an episode like this.
Don't let him lie to you. He can't even boil crawfish neither.
Shit, we could easily flip the camera around and see me boil some crawfish.
Don't nobody want to see you on camera.
Shit, the shit I gotta deal with.
Okay, we're gonna start our new potatoes. Add our fats to the pan. With olive oil. And it may seem like a lot, but I never said I was cooking healthy. We're gonna start off with about 2/3 stick of butter. Go ahead and Add our vegetables and wilt those down. Got those going. So just give you a quick heads up on the potatoes. We have some small red potatoes that we parboiled for about 6 minutes. We quartered them, boiled them in about 2 or 3 ounces of liquid crab oil and just some salt. Let's get a little flavor in there. We'll go ahead and add those as soon as our vegetables are cooked in. Let's see if we can get a little wrist action going. Slow-mo.
I like the sound effects.
Alright. Go ahead and add our last third of a stick of butter in there. Melt that down. Turn the heat up a little bit. Go ahead and put our seasonings in there. Toast them up. Add our potatoes in. Nice and coated. Stir them up. Cook these down for about 5 minutes, and then we'll have some delicious new potatoes. Alright, so we have our redfish fillets here, and we're just gonna go real heavy coating with our blackening seasoning. Alright, we're using Zatarans today. Alright, go ahead. Pat that in there. Go ahead. Pat that in there real nice. We're ready for the hot pan.
Do you need a binder of any sort?
I don't use a binder because we're gonna get our pan searing hot. Go ahead and add our fat, and then we're just gonna lay these bad boys in there. And blackening, it comes from, you throw it in there and it cooks the seasoning real quick and gives the fish an appearance of being charred or blackened.
Ah, I got you.
So we have our cast iron pan getting real hot. You can see some of the smoke coming off of there. So let's go ahead and add our fat, olive oil, butter. Be careful when using cast iron because the handle, unless it's coated, will be very hot. So, got our beautiful fish fillets. We want it scorching hot so it will sear those seasonings right on there. Get up under there. These are relatively thin fillets, so shouldn't take too long. About 2-3 minutes each side, and you'll be done. Alright, we've been about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes now. Go ahead and get up underneath our fish here. Oh, look at that. And that's what we talk about blackening. That seasoning's been seared, gives it a blackish color. Right. Another 2 to 3 minutes and we're done. As you can see, I finished my cocktail today. Working with Ray has been a little stressful, but look at this beautiful blackened redfish with our crawfish cream sauce and our new potatoes. Can't wait to get in here. Taste this. That's delicious. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and always remember, never trust a skinny chef. We're out.